Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing my first impression review on the Artistry eyeshadow palette from Bad Habit. This is their dupe for the Master Palette by Mario. So I have the original one, so I will be comparing these palettes, and also I'll be doing swatches and all that. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm MissCheriess. I post videos every Tuesday and Friday. If you love to watch reviews on affordable makeup products, then please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Just click the subscribe button down there and the bell next to it so that it will notify you every time I upload videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to know my thoughts about the palette, then please keep on watching. Here is the palette. So this is their dupe for the Master Palette by Mario. This one retails for $12. The packaging feels really nice. It feels velvety. The ingredients are right here at the back. It says in here cruelty free, and it's good for 12 months. I am obsessed with Shopify app. I'm always on their app looking for affordable makeup products or makeup brands. So the Master Palette by Mario was the first and last palette that I purchased from the brand. This was the reason why I started my YouTube channel. I got really inspired by this palette. I'm a big Mario fan, so this palette is amazing. This was very expensive. I paid, I think, $55, so with tax, but I did not regret purchasing this one because this is amazing. So I'm going to show you the inside. And here are the eyeshadows. It has a mirror. I'm going to do a tutorial right now. I'll be using the Master Palette by Mario on my right side, and on my left side I'll be using the Artistry palette by Bad Habit. So I'm going to show you each tutorial right now. I have primed my eyes, and then I'm going to use the Master Palette by Mario. So, and on my left side I'm going to use the Artistry eyeshadow palette from Bad Habit. So the color Violetta, this one a little darker than the shade from the Artistry. So this is the beige, and this is the Artistry. As you can see, a little darker, and this was a little harder to blend than the shade. So that this is the only shade that is kind of off from the palette. On my right eye, I'm going to use the shade Lola. And on my right side, I'm going to take the shade Mona. Next shade is Isabel from Master Palette by Mario with the Cosmetics E30 brush. From the Artistry palette, I'm going to use the shade Aria. So I'm using a different brush, the same brand, E30 from Cosmetics. So I just use this one, and this one is a clean brush. I'm going to darken it up a little bit more. I'm going to use the shade Violetta from Master Palette. From the Artistry, I'm going to use the shade Tuscany. You can see the Mario palette is a little darker than this side right here, so I'm going to build it up a little bit more because this one's a little lighter. I'm going to carve out my lid. I'm going to use the Cosmetics concealer. So I'm going to mix two shades. I'm going to mix the shade Kim and the shade Marina. Then I'm going to use the shade Claudia. I'm going to put this in the middle part of my lid, the space right there. On my left side, I'm going to use this Artistry palette. So I'm going to mix the shade Kim T. So this is the dupe for the shade Kim, and the shade Sophia, which is a dupe for the shade Marina, I think. Yeah, Marina. So I'm going to add glitter just in the middle part of my lid. I'm going to put on my lashes, fix my brows, and I'll be right back. Here are the swatches. So the left swatches are from the Master Palette by Mario, and the right side are the swatches from the Artistry eyeshadow palette. As you can see, guys, they look identical. I mean, I don't know how they did it. Oh my goodness. And then I'm going to swatch the second row on both palettes. Same thing, the left swatches are from the Master Palette by Mario, and the right swatches are from the Artistry eyeshadow palette. Really love this palette. This is amazing. This is definitely a dupe for the Master Palette by Mario. So if you don't have this one, I highly recommend to pick this one up. So the matte shadows in here were not as pigmented as the matte shades from the Master Palette. I had to build up their pigmentation, but they were very easy to blend. They were very easy to apply, and also the shimmer shades were very pigmented. They were as pigmented as the shimmer shades from the Master Palette by Mario. So I hope you enjoyed my video today. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.